Hey everyone, welcome back. So here I am doing the most requested tutorial you will ask me to do so far. Let's see how I use salt for making backgrounds in portraits. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So I generally use paper masking tape for borders, but I'm using a regular transparent tape here. You can use any, just keep in mind it's not too sticky or else it will result damaging your paper. Nextly, talking about sheet I'm using here is Brewster Artist Mixed Media from Creative Hands. It's 250 GSM and works really well with watercolors, so choose wisely as quality of paper really matters while working with watercolors. Step 1 is to make the whole paper wet. So I'm using a big flat brush here to do this quickly. This will allow me later to apply colors patiently. Do not apply much, simply just try to make the paper wet. Further, I am using this same brush to cover larger areas. While making background, choose colors wisely as it can make and fail the main subject at same time. Learn about how cool and warm colors work together. Blue has always been my favorite color, so I mostly work with this. I have almost covered all the bigger areas. Now I am going to use a small flat brush to add more color. Do not apply color everywhere, let it flow for better results. You can see here I am applying more color in the corners so that we can have finished borders in the end. You need to be patient while doing this. These watercolors are artist grade and from Brewster again. Now after you have done this is the time to hurry before it dries up. Take some regular salt and start sprinkling all over. Just take a little amount first and then repeat. You don't need to sprinkle evenly all over. As you can see here, I am applying it more in the areas which are more wet as compared to rest of the areas. After it dries up, it's time to remove the salt now. Make sure it's completely dry. I'm using that same brush to remove the salt. As you apply salt on water, it melts and gets stick to the paper. So sometimes you need to rub it gently with your fingers. This process may take a little time, but it will eventually give you amazing results. Make sure there's no salt left back there. In case you wish to have the materials used in this video, link is given in the description below. Don't forget to use my coupon code to get extra 10% off. Moving on to the video. Now I'm removing the tape for clear borders. This part may sound fun but is too messy, so don't forget to add a newspaper down there so that later it's easy for you to collect the unwanted salt from all over the areas. And just have a look on this beautiful surface. Lastly, I'm using a cutting here. I have used a detail knife to make this cutout. I'm just making sure again there is no salt left back there. I am now planning how I'm going to place this cutout on this background here. You can use any double-sided tape like this or Fevicol. I would prefer Fevicol because double-sided tape is not permanent. Making sure that I have applied sufficient amount of Fevicol to paste this piece. Do not apply much as it can tangle. Lastly, I am adding some butterflies to enhance it a little bit. and some more details and butterflies. In case you are new to my channel, here's my Instagram ID. You can explore about me and my artworks there. Here's a tip. Always add some extra hair details to make it look more realistic, and never add too many things. Just try keeping it simple, sober and creative. And we are done with this. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe and to turn on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Bye bye.